Jack here, JBF Music and Guitar Lessons, and what I've got for you today is a line I think I stole from Iron Maiden's Dave Murray in his Ides of March solo. Probably the very first lick I actually managed to get a little bit of speed on. Way back when, way back when, way back when, way back when, way back when. There was supposed to be a flashback there. Okay, I've done a ton of videos on Dave Murray and Maiden, so much so that I gave them their own playlist, which you can check out with the eye up there. This is a trick that long-term members of the Lick Squad Elite, you guys rock, will already likely know as the embellished trill, but I'm going to show you some cool stuff you can do with it as well. In a nutshell, pick this note, pick this one. I use 2 downstrokes for these up at fast speeds, then hammer on, pull off. Stay as relaxed as you can and play this as fast as possible, but as slow as necessary. Loop it around and just make that muscle memory start to build up. If you feel like going for a speed burst after a while, then go for it, but make sure not to tense up. I'd really recommend going round on this for a few minutes and just developing that comfort and familiarity with the hand movements. Alright, let's lickify that bit by taking it down through the pentatonic scale. Same idea, pick 2 notes, hammer on, pull off, just over different string groups. Again, try to keep this slow and feel free to play each part in isolation. Before threading it all together. The idea is that we want to build a reliable muscle memory. Slow and steady will win the race here. Before I forget, if you're enjoying this, please do let me know with a like and a comment. If you want to see more of this, give subscribe a click and make sure to enable all notifications. Nice one. Alright, so let's go the other way and switch things up a bit more too. That just starts off the same bit in reverse. We're picking these 2 notes, hammer on, pull off, same again, across all the different string sets. Then we get to the B and the E strings. Here I'm going between the 15th fret and the 14th. So it's the 15th for the first and third times and the 14th fret for the second and fourth. Also using my 3rd finger for the 15th fret and 2nd finger for the 14th. So you have 15, 14, 15, 14. A position shift here, and while most of the notes stay the same, for the first and the second time I'm using the 17th fret on the E, and going up to the 19th fret for the 3rd and the 4th times on the E string. So that bar by itself. The next bar is more varied again, but still using this embellished trill technique. We're going to pick these notes, hammer to the 19th, pull off, pick these again, hammer to the 20th, pull off, position shift, so we're going to pick the 22nd fret, the 19th, hammer onto the 20, pull off, same idea, picking these 2 notes on the B and the E string, but hammering onto the 22nd fret, picking these last 3 notes, and adding some vibrato to that bend. And for good measure, let's just play those up at speed. For a look at how I've been trying to get steady vibrato on my bends, check out that video, or you can check out my other Maiden stuff with that playlist. But yeah, hit subscribe to keep up to date with the channel, leave me any suggestions, check out the tabs on Patreon, and enable all notifications by ringing that little bell on the side if you feel so inclined. Cheers guys.